I use Zepp because it gives me feedback on every shot instantly. Zepp's 3D analysis instantly shows you the most important metrics around your swing. Having this data as a golfer is priceless and will allow you to improve faster, track your performance, and maintain your swing day to day.
Zepp's instant evaluations are the fastest way to get detailed analysis on your swing. Take an eval and we'll break down your swing and recommend the right trading program just for you.
Zepp's Smart Coach will help you work on the most important aspects of your swing, the things myself and other golf professionals always focus on.
My favorite feature in Zepp is the immediate feedback. If you have a Zepp sensor, you'll improve faster and you'll be able to track your progress over time.
Start training like the best players in the world and Zepp your swing.